Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host Soul, and today we'll be taking a look inside of Tenchi Muyo War on Geminar, the limited edition part 1 on Blu-ray. So there's the cover, the spine, the back, and then the top, which looks like that, and then the bottom doesn't have anything on it, really, just that. Then you take the Blu-ray out, and you get that, and that. This is episodes 1 through 7, part 1, so each episode's about 40 minutes long, so there's the episode list. Then you get episodes 1 through 3 on the DVD. Then you get episodes 4 through 6 on the DVD, 2. And then you get episodes 7 and extras on disc 3. Then on the Blu-ray you get episodes 1 through 5. And then on there you get, on the second disc you get 6 through 7 plus extras. And you take this out, and that's what the back artwork looks like. And then, well, that's done. Then you get this little box that has some goodies in it. So, there you go. And then when you, let me open it up off camera, sorry. Come on. There, you get this little art book. So there's that. I'm not going to go through them all. Well, maybe I will. There's that. And then, but that's all I'm going to go through so you guys have some view. So this has been Tenchi Muyo War on Geminar on Blu-ray limited edition. Thank you and have a wonderful day.